Good morning everyone. Welcome to today's maths class. Let us continue the problems from the exercise 3.3. Now, solve 2x plus 3y is equal to 11 and 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 24 and hence find the value of for which value of m for which y is equal to mx plus 3. Okay. Now, let us take the two equations. 2x plus 3y is equal to 11 and 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 24. Let us take these two equations as 1 and 2. Now, we are using the substitution method to solve these two equations. Now, let us take the first equation from 1. 2x plus 3y is equal to 11. Okay, now let us subject x. Now this implies 2x is equal to 11 minus 3y and then x is equal to 11 minus 3y by 2. Now let us take this x value as equation 3. X is equal to 11 minus 3y by 2 as the equation 3. Now substitute x is equal to 11 minus 3y by 2 in the equation 2. So what is the equation 2? 2x minus 4y. 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 24. 2x, in the place of x we have to substitute 11 minus 3y by 2. Okay, now let us simplify this. 2 will be cancelled. 11 minus 3y minus 4y is equal to minus 24. Now this implies 11 minus 3y minus 4y is minus 7y is minus 24. Therefore, minus 7y is equal to minus 24. Plus 11 if you send that side you will get minus 11. Then minus 7y is equal to minus 35. Now look at this. What is the equation of y? Here we can say 7y is equal to 35. By cancelling minus on both sides, we get y is equal to 35 by 7. This implies y is equal to 5. Okay, we get the value of y. Now, substitute y is equal to 5 in the equation 3. What is the equation 3? X is equal to 11 minus 3y by 2. So 3y, in the place of y I have to substitute 5. Then we get 11 minus 3 5 is 15 by 2 is minus 4 by 2 is minus 2. Therefore the value of x is minus 2. Now we get, therefore x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 5. Okay, now there is another part of the problem, that is find the value of m for which y is equal to mx plus 3. Now let us substitute the values of x and y, that is minus 2 and 5 in the given equation y is equal to mx plus 3. Then we get y is equal to, what is the value of y? Is 5. 5 is equal to m into x. X value is minus 2 plus 3. This implies plus 3 if you take this side minus 3. M into minus 2 is minus 2m. Therefore 2 is equal to minus 2m. Then we can write m is equal to 2 by minus 2. We get minus 1. Okay. Finally we get the value of m minus 1. So here we get the values of x and y as minus 2 and 5 and the value of m is minus 1. Now look at the third problem. From the pair of linear equations for the following problems, form the pair of linear equations for the following problems and find their solution by substitution method. Okay, here the first problem is the difference between two numbers is 26 and one number is 3 times the other. Find them. Now let us take take the two numbers B, X and Y, such that X is greater than Y. Let us take X is the bigger number. Now, he has given the difference between the numbers. As per the given, we can say that the difference between the numbers X minus Y is equal to 26. Okay, let us take this is the first equation. And what is the other condition? One number is 3 times the other, and one number is 3 times the other, means the bigger number X is equal to 3 times the other. Let us take this is the second equation. Okay, now substitute X is equal to 3Y in the equation 1. Sorry, this we have taken from 2, that's why we have to substitute in 1. So this implies X minus Y. What is X? 3Y minus Y is equal to 26. 3Y minus Y is 2Y is equal to 26. Therefore, Y is equal to 26 by 2, that is 30. Okay, now substitute Y is equal to 13. Okay, in the equation 2. Okay, this implies we get X is equal to 3 into Y value 30. Then we get X is equal to 3 13s, 13. Okay, therefore the two numbers are 39 and 30. Okay, now look at the second problem from the third Roman. That is, the larger of two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18 degrees. Find them. Now let us do the second problem here. Let the two supplementary angles be X and Y, okay, such that X is greater than Y. So let us take X is bigger among X and Y. Okay, so this implies X plus Y is equal to 180. Why? Because supplementary angles means a pair of angles whose sum is 180 degrees is called a pair of supplementary angles. So X plus Y is equal to 180 degrees. And one more condition is given that the larger of two angles exceeds the smaller by 18 degrees. Okay, here larger angle is exceeds the smaller by 18 degrees. This implies we can write X is equal to Y plus 18. Say this is the equation 2 and this is the equation 2. We got two equations. Now let us find the values of X and Y from these two equations. Now substitute X is equal to Y plus 18 in the equation 1. Why? Because X is equal to Y plus 18 is the equation 2. This value we have to substitute in the other equation, that is 1. Then we get X means Y plus 18 plus Y is equal to 180 degrees. Then Y plus Y, 2Y is equal to 180 degrees plus 18. If you take two RHS, we get minus 18, that is 162. Therefore, Y is equal to 162 by 2, that is equal to 81 degrees. Okay, we get the Y value. Now, let us find the X value. Now, substitute Y is equal to 81 degrees in the equation 2. This implies we get X is equal to Y plus 18, that is Y value is 81. 81 plus 18, we get 99 degrees. X is equal to 99 degrees. Therefore, here let us write the final answer here at this corner. Therefore, the two angles are, what are the two angles? X is 99 degrees and Y, what is the Y value? 81 degrees. See, look at these two angles. If you add them, how much you will get? 99 plus 81 is 180 degrees. If you subtract 99 minus 81 is 9. Sorry, 99 minus 81 is 18. Here it has given that the bigger angle is 18 degrees more than the smaller angle. Look at this. The bigger angle is 99, which is 18 degrees more than the smaller angle. Okay. So these two values x and y satisfies the given equations. Like this, we can check whether our answers are correct or not by substituting in the equations 1 and 2. So for any problem, even this problem also, what are the x and y values? X value is 39 and y value is 13. So these two values, if you substitute in the equations 1 and 2, those two values must satisfy the equations. Then we can say that the given answers are correct. Okay. Now the third problem from the third Roman. The coach of a cricket team buys 7 bats and 6 balls for 3,800 rupees. Later, she buys 3 bats and 5 balls for 1,750 rupees. Find the cost of each bat and each ball. Now, look at this. Let the cost of each bat be rupees X and each ball be rupees Y. We have taken as rupees X and Y. Okay, now he has given that cost of 7 bats and 6 balls is 3,800 rupees. So from this we can write the equation 7x plus 6y is equal to 3,800. Okay, this is the equation 1. Like this, what is the other one? 3 bats and cost of 3 bats and 5 balls is rupees 1,750. So from this we can write the linear equation as 3x plus 5y is equal to 1,750. Let us take this equation as 2. Okay, now we have two equations, that means a pair of linear equations. Let us solve these two equations by using substitution method. Now, from the equation 1, what is the equation 1? 7x plus 6y is equal to 3,800. Let us subject x from this. Now 7x is equal to 3,800. X is equal to 3,800 minus 6y by 7. Let us take this as the third equation. Now substitute x is equal to 3,800 minus 6y by 7 in the equation 2. Why? Because this we have extracted from the equation 1. So we need to substitute in the other equation, that is 2. Now let us substitute in the equation 2. 3 into 3x plus 5y is equal to 1,750. Now 3x, in the place of x we should substitute 3,800 minus 6y by 7. Okay, now so let us multiply the entire equation with 7. Why? Because there is 7 in the denominator. Then we get 7 into 3 into 3,800 minus 6y plus 7 into 5y is equal to 7 into 1,750. Okay, here by 7. Okay, now 7 will be cancelled. Now 3 into 3,800. Okay, 3 8 24, 4, 2, 3 3 then 9, 11. 11,400 minus 3 into 6, 18y plus 7 5 35y is equal to 7 into 1750. 700, 7 5 35, 7 7 49, 52 25, 7 7, 1, 12,500. Okay, let us check once again. 300, 300, 324, this is 9. 9 to 11, 11,400 minus 18y plus 35y is equal to 12,500. Now look at this. Minus 18y plus 35y. Okay, we get 17y is equal to 12,500 minus 11,400. Okay, now 17y is equal to, if you subtract 0, 0, 1 and 1. So y is equal to 1100 by 17. Now 11,400 minus 18 plus 35 is 17y plus 17y is 12,250. Okay. Now 17y is equal to 12,250 minus 11,400. Then 17y is equal to 12,250 minus 11,400 is 850. Therefore, y is equal to 850 by 17. So 1750s. Therefore, y is equal to 50. Now substitute y is equal to 50 in the equation 3. Then we get x is equal to 3,800 minus 6y by 7. Now what is the value of y? Value of y is 50. Now 3,800 minus 650 is 300 by 7. 3,800 minus 300 is 3,500 by 7. 7,500s is 3,500. Therefore, x is equal to 500. Okay. Now finally, we can write what is the given data, cost of each bat and ball. Therefore, cost of each bat we have taken as x. So x is 500, is rupees 500, and each ball is rupees 50. Okay, did you understand? So look at this. Here we have taken each cost of each bat is x rupees and each ball is y rupees. From the given data, we have formed two linear equations, that is a pair of linear equations. By solving those two equations by using the substitution method, we get the x and y values, that is 500 and 50 rupees. So like this we can solve the problems, the word problems by using the substitution method. Now let us continue the remaining problems in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.